Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox LOL Surprise Boys. So let's see what's inside. That's our first packing. And we got a clue. Let's see what it is. Dance, looks like he's dancing and on and off. Oh, dance plus off, dance off. Let's open it up. Oh, we got something here. Oh, we got stickers. And one more wrapping. Let's see our first surprise. Looks like we've got a black box this time. And let's open our surprise first. Oh, that's a sippy cup. That's pretty. It's a red and black and brown spots on white. Okay. Another surprise. Oh, that's red shoes for the boy. Let's keep it here. And open it up. That's a black ball there. And let's insert this one. An outfit that matches the cup. That's cool. And we got our big surprise inside. That's a chart. So let's find out who we got this time. There's 6 boys in this chart. Let's see who we got. Oh, that's a pretty hat, red and white. And that matches with the outfit again. What else have we got? This looks like a scarf. How cool is it? Nice blue scarf with the outfit. And finally, our doll. There you go, our doll. So nice. He's so adorable, so cute. Okay guys, I've just dressed this doll up and let's see who we got from the chart. Okay, it is Doocy Dude from the dance club. That's cool. I love his hat. So cool. And it matches with the cup. So cute. Okay, let's check if Mr. Doocy Dude can pee, cry or spit. Oh, he can pee. Okay guys, that's Mr. Doocy Dude Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.